First, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Swipe down again to expand all the quick settings. Make sure Auto Rotate is turned on. If it is set to Portrait, tap it once to enable Auto Rotate. Now press and hold the Auto Rotate icon. This will open the Auto Rotate settings. Scroll down until you see the Rotate to Landscape options. Turn on the toggle for Home Screen. You can also turn on the toggle for Lock Screen if you want your lock screen to rotate. If available, you can also enable Voice Call Screen rotation. Now go back to the home screen. Turn your Samsung phone sideways. The home screen and lock screen will now rotate automatically when you rotate your phone. That's it. This is how you can enable home screen and lock screen rotation on a Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.